I get this question all the time. Devin, when should a faceless creator replace a weak freelancer versus improving the brief first? My rule is simple. Fix clarity before you fire for talent. Here's the diagnosis I use. First, audit the brief. Does it clearly define the goal, the audience, the references, the exact deliverable, the hard constraints, and what success looks like? If any of that is fuzzy, the bad output is probably a management problem, not a freelancer problem. Second, test coachability. Give one clean revision round with specific notes, what to keep, what to cut, what better actually means, and a deadline. If the second draft improves quickly, keep them. That means the system was weak, not the person. Third, look for repeated misses. Replace the freelancer when the brief is clear, the references are solid, and after one feedback cycle, they still miss the same things: pacing, taste, reliability, or following constraints. Repeated failure on the same pattern usually means talent mismatch. So the operator rule is don't judge off one bad draft. Judge off repeated failure after clarity. If you're scaling this, Satura is useful for turning the brief, QA checklist, and feedback loop into one workflow. That's the line.